They really do love that recipe. Today, we're taking our everyday spaghetti and meat sauce and turning it into a casserole that's over the top. And just don't take my word for it, because the comments on our website speak for themselves. So let me show you what all the hubbub is about. We start by sauteing some ground beef with a chopped onion until it's browned. While that finishes up, we toss some spaghetti with a jar of sauce. Then we add our ground beef. Meanwhile, in a skillet, we stir some flour into a bit of melted butter and let that cook for a minute or so. Now, we stir in a can of evaporated milk, and once it thickens, we add some Parmesan cheese and a little salt and pepper. All that's left to do is layer our spaghetti mixture with the cream sauce and some shredded cheddar cheese. One more layer of pasta and cheese, and into the oven it goes. Talk about lip-smacking good. And it's got everything we love about spaghetti with the bonus of lots of cheesy goodness in the form of a casserole. So don't wait another minute. Go online now and get the recipe for our layered spaghetti casserole. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a highly rated way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. This is an amazing recipe.
Wow.
Isn't it good?